Hello and welcome to the first introduction video to the LeadCrafters dashboard. In this video we're going to cover just the basics of how to get logged in, where to go to log in, and the basic features of the dashboard. We'll go into those features a little bit later in other videos, a little more detail, but this is just a quick overview. So the first thing you'll notice is that in order to get logged in, we've gone to LeadCrafters.com. That's LEAD Crafters.com. And went ahead and clicked on the client area button, which brought us to this page. This is where you would fill out your username and password that you should have received from your rep. If you don't have that, or you can't get it to work for some reason, go ahead and send an email to support@leadcrafters.com or contact your rep and we'll get you set up. Go ahead and click on log me in. We'll get logged into the system. And the first page you're going to see show up here is this is the dashboard home page. The top of the page has a little area for messages where we can deliver messages to you from time to time. And then below that on the left hand side you'll see a quick stats box where you can see the leads as they have come in today, yesterday, and the last few periods of time, as well as the total number of leads that you've received. And below that you'll see page views. This is actually the number of impressions, the number of visitors who've come to your site who've actually seen our page load, the first page and second page. Those are kind of important numbers to help you figure out your conversion rate and maybe work on some language changes if you choose. Over here on the right hand side is the last 20 leads. This is just a quick reference of the most recent 20 leads that have come in. And below that is a statistics box. This is a demo account, so I don't have much to show here, but this will show you a chart of your leads as they came in over time, over the last 30 days, 90 days, or the last year. This is a pretty valuable little quick reference page. At the top you'll see 4 tabs: the Dashboard Homepage tab, the Leads tab, Reports tab, and Manage tab. Now for those of you that only have user access, you won't actually see a Manage tab. That is strictly for administrator access. And if you want administrator access, you can just request it from one of us, from one of the reps, or at support@leadcrafters.com, and we'll get you set up. The Leads tab, we'll look at that first. It's another quick overview of the leads. You can look at in display options. You can choose to look at all your leads. This will first show you the first 50. And then you can do a search by reference number. The reference numbers are unique to every lead. You can do a search like that if you'd like. But this is basically where you come to view and manage your lead. You can also print the leads out in a table. We'll go into that a little later. The next tab is the Reports tab. This is where you can come to generate a new report for your leads with a start date and end date, and whether you want it to be a PDF or download it as an Excel file in XLS. There's also, you'll see scheduled reports and custom reports. These are archived reports, either reports you've created or that have been automatically scheduled once a month by the system. You can go back and view those as well. And the last tab is the Manage tab. We're not going to go into too many details in this video, but the Manage tab gives you the ability to manage users, which is a user is considered someone who can access the dashboard, who receives leads by mail or reports by mail. And you can add or remove those and manage those users here if you have admin access. You can also manage your slideshow. These are the slides that show up on your page. You can put as many or few slides as you want in there. And then the Forms page gives you access to actually the language on your page. What color your page looks like, the text around the logo, the page names for search engine optimization, all the different questions, all the language, not the questions, but all the language in your pages, and the language in your email, your outgoing email, is all here, as well as the social network icons that show up at the bottom of page 3 on your service page. You can also manage your fields here. These are the questions that you ask your visitors. You can manage those here, and we'll go into the details a little bit later. Basically, that's the dashboard. We have a couple more little areas here. One is the account info. You can manage, change your password, change your phone number, your email address, that sort of thing. You can manage from here. And then we have a help button at the top, which just gives you basics on how to use this dashboard, as well as a way to communicate with us should you need to, and your LeadCrafters rep. And we'll go into that a little bit later. That's our video for today. Thank you very much.